This is our EdgeBreaker 5000 deslagging machine. It efficiently removes slag and large burrs from flame-cut and plasma-cut parts. The machine is capable of processing parts up to 100 millimeters or 3.94 inches thick, therefore making it ideal for anyone who is working with thicker materials. Some examples include flame cutting operations, service centers, or mechanical engineering companies. After cutting, the components no longer need to be turned over since the EdgeBreaker removes the slag from the bottom side, allowing the operator to feed the materials straight off the cutting table and into the machine, ensuring maximum safety and efficient processing. The time savings compared to manual processing is enormous. The EdgeBreaker 5000 is particularly robust and reliable. The machine does not require a separate dust extraction unit. The consumables are very easy to change. To do so, the pin discs move into a change position. In this position, they can easily be inspected and changed within minutes. Most importantly, the material after processing is so clean that subsequent processing can be carried out immediately and cost-effectively. Overall, an investment into a deslagging technology that pays off.